AB Point Operating Mode. Hello, everyone. In this mini tutorial, we will talk about AB Point Operating Mode. It is suitable for 1. Regular rectangle-shaped fields. 2. Long fields. Here are steps to start the AB Point Operating Mode. 1. Check spray or spread function. Check sprayer with pressure nozzles. Press the spraying button to evacuate the air in the pipe. Check if the pumps are working properly and the flow rate is correct. Check sprayer with centrifugal nozzles. Click Settings. Click the Start button on the right of the particle size setting. And click the Start button on the right of the pump setting. Check if the spray tray and pump are working properly and if the flow rate is correct. Check Spreader. Click Settings. Click the Start button of the broadcast test to check if the wheels are rotating normally and if the diffusers are ventilated. 2. Set the operation parameters. Click the operation parameter settings on the remote controller to set the dosage, operation space, flight height and speed, etc. 3. Start the AB Point Operating Mode. AB Point Operating Mode can be quickly performed without mapping the field in advance. It refers to manually operating the drone to set point A and point B at both ends of the field borderline, and the operation routes will be automatically generated. The drone can start operation automatically according to the preset parameters. Fly the drone to the border point of the field, and press the button B1 to record point A. Click the Start Work button on the remote controller. Fly the drone to the other border point, and press the button B2 to record point B. Then press the button L1, and toggle the stick left or right according to the remote controller's prompts to choose the line-changing direction. Then the drone will start the operation according to the direction you choose. 4. Operations during the flight. Update the AB point. During the operation, you can adjust the operation range by updating the AB point. When the drone flies from point A to point B, interrupt the operation and fly the drone manually to a new location for point B. Click on Update AB Point and the location of point B will be updated to the current location of the drone. Similarly, when the drone flies from point B to point A, the same operation can be performed to update the location of point A. Breakpoint. You can interrupt the operation when you need to fill the tank or replace batteries, and the location where the drone is paused will be marked as a breakpoint. Click Fly to Breakpoint on the Continue Work setting page, and the drone will automatically fly to the last breakpoint and resume the operation automatically. Click the breakpoint and the drone will fly to the breakpoint position. Projection point. When an obstacle is found in the operation area, interrupt the operation and manipulate the drone to bypass the obstacle. Then use the projection point function to make the drone return to the route before or the next route and continue the operation. It will generate 3 projection points based on the current position of the drone, and the drone will fly to the selected point. Adjust the operation parameters. During the operation, you can click the parameters to adjust the dosage, flight height and speed, operation space, etc. The modified dosage, flight height and speed will take effect immediately. But the modified operation space will take effect when the drone flies on the next line. 5. End the operation. When the operation is finished, you can fly the drone back manually or automatically according to the actual situation. After landing and locking the drone, click End Work. Check whether the operation data is accurate and click Confirm. That's all for this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips. See you in the next video.